Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. I am preparing for the DSA round of an interview. The time is very less, so I am following the top interview 150. You can see it on this screen. Before entering into the DSA, I have seen this is the syllabus for an DSA, that is arrays, strings, linked list, tags, queues, hash map and hashing, recursion, trees, graphs and dynamic programming. And in order to solve these problems, I have created a 6-step success formula. The first one is understanding the concept. The second one will be the programming, that is IDE and language. The third one is reading and understanding the problem. And fourth one is approach and optimization. And fifth one will be the problem solving mindset. And sixth one will be the use case mapping to the real world scenarios. These 6 steps allow us to solve the DSA LeetCode problems. In this one or in this playlist, I am not teaching you what is the concept, what is the coding, what is the programming language I am using. In this video, I am only showcasing what is my plan and what is my approach, how I solve in this video. I consider the YouTube as a buddy partner in the DSA interview preparation. Without further delay, now let us jump into the video. So here you can see these are the problems, but for us the specific problem is over here. So from the top interview 150, I have select the 20A, that is nothing but the find the index of the first occurrence in a string. We need to return the index of the first occurrence in a given string. So they try to give it as a two string. One is called as a source, another one is called as search or a target. We consider as an S1 and S2. We have to find the S2 in the given S1. The S1 will always like as in a superset, and S2 will be like a subset, but whether it is find inside this one, it is the substring it is asking, mean string should be continuously, it is not as in a slicing, it is substring it is asking. So sad, you can see it should be occurred continuously. So and we have to return. Here you can see LeetCode and needle, they have given lead2, but here there is no occurred. In this case we have to return -1. Constraint, the hashtag length and needle length will be 1 to 10 to the power of 4, and these two strings consist of only lowercase English characters. Can you come down? You can see the topics is a 2-pointer, string and string matching. String and string matching and 2 pointers is the topics. Again here you can see LeetCode number 28, find the index of the first occurrence in a given string. So we try to get it as in two string, one will be the needle, another one will be the hashtag. This needle will be always as in substring and hashtag will be as in a superset. And if they find, we need to give the index. If not find, we need to return the -1. Hope you have understood the problem. Now it is the time to jump onto the code how I solved. You can see the hashtag and a needle we are comparing. While j is equal to 0, j is telling the starting point of the needle. You can see it. And you can check it, these things, and if it is matching, then we are increasing the j plus 1. If the entire thing is matches, then I am returning as an I after the while. If not, it will going on to this for loop. Where it has to go, it has to come from 0 and end with m minus n plus 1. What is m? M is nothing but the string of the main. N is nothing but as in a needle length. And if n is 0, they are returning with. So minus n we are subtracting because the main string length we need to compare with as in a substring. So we are handling over here. Every time it will try to take an I from here, then it will try to add the j and try to compare it here. So it is a loop inside and a loop, and it will try to move it over here. And it is the time to test whether it is working or not. I have selected the Python 3 for writing this code. Now let me check whether this is working or not. That's the most important factor. And you can see 3 milliseconds beats 8.71 percentage. You can see it on this. Again we try to submit and see is there any change. You can see 0 milliseconds beats 100 percentage. In this video I didn't teach the concept, I didn't teach the programming logic or any programming. Just I have taken the problem, what approach I have used to solve whether this task is completed or this problem is solved or not. By using the I and j, so these are the comes under the 2 pointers category. You can see 2 pointers category. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. We try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.